everyone, here is Gigi, and today we are going to make the Hong Kong traditional dessert. It's called Mango Pomelo Sago. It usually includes diced mango, grapefruit, and sago, coconut milk, and sugar. And we also teach you how to make the relaxed creative drink. So it looks difficult? Don't worry, it will be easy after you watch our video. Without further ado, let's make the Mango Pomelo Sago. Let's go! First, preparing 100 grams of the sago, 400 milliliters of the hot water, and also some plain water. And we soak the sago in the water for 3 minutes, and it will reduce the cooking time. Add sago to boil water and stir and lower to medium heat for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we close the fire and cover the lid. Simmer it to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we set out a bottle of the ice cube and drain the water. Add sago to the ice cube and then mix it well. The sago of the Mango Pomelo Sago is ready. Today we use our product, mango powder mix, to make the mango coconut milk. But you also can make with the fresh mango. Then we add 50 grams olive powder, 1 ounce of the sugar syrup, hot water of 100 grams, and a coconut milk of 50 milliliters. And we add some ice cube and fill up to 500 milliliters with the cool water. Let's shake it well. So the mango of the coconut milk is ready for the Mango Pomelo Sago. Okay, let me try this. It's pretty good because we'll add some coconut milk. It will reduce the sweetness of the mango milk tea, but also make it more creamy and soft. And we continue to make our Mango Pomelo Sago. Let's go! Put some diced mango in a bowl and pomelo and grapefruit slice. Then we add some sago and then pour the coconut mango milk in. You can put any topping according your preference, like coconut jelly or some pimple pop. Our Hong Kong style traditional dessert is ready. For a drink, all ingredients are prepared as the same way of the dessert. So we just present it in different ways to make it suitable for the bubble tea shop. Take a cup and we put some diced mango at the bottom and also some grapefruit and pomelo slice. We put some sago in. And then here is a little tips. We put some yogurt in this drink and make it more refreshing. And fill up is the mango coconut milk. Then we garnish with some pomelo. Mango pomelo sago is ready. For the smoothie, first we make some green tea jelly. Pour in 500 grams of the hot water, 30 grams of the ice cube, with 12 grams of the green tea leaf. Soak tea leaf and waiting for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we filter the green tea soup and pour in the pot. Add 12 grams of the sugar syrup, 50 grams of the jelly powder. Stir it well and cook it until it's boiling. Turn off the heat and let it cool down and put it in the refrigerator. Second, we prepare some coconut flavor milk foam creamer. We will also teach some special flavor of the milk foam creamer in the future, and you can follow up and subscribe our channel to get more information. Then we put some 5 grams of the coconut powder, 25 grams of the milk foam powder, 100 grams of milk tea, and also 100 grams of the whipping cream. And then we whisk it until it becomes thick. Now when it becomes a little bit thick, it's ready. Today's main character of the mango smoothie. Pour all ingredients in the smoothie container. Mango syrup of 60 grams. 0.4 ounce of the sugar syrup. 60 milliliters of the green tea. Then 100 grams of ice cube. The mango smoothie is ready. Put some green tea jelly at the bottom. Some fresh mango dice. Also some grapefruit and pomelo. And then we pour in our mango smoothie and fill up with the coconut milk foam creamer. And the mango smoothie is ready. Today we made traditional Hong Kong style dessert and 2 kinds of drink of it. It's pretty famous in Taiwanese bubble tea shop, and create your own mango pomelo sago drinks and enjoy it. It's really suitable in the summer day. Everyone can try it. Okay, it's the end of our video today. If you want to learn more creative drink, you can follow up our channel. And if you want to have your own bubble tea shop, we have the series of the tutor about it. Click it and check it. See ya!